It was Christmas Eve. I woke up like any normal day. I felt this real sharp pain in the middle of my chest, like somebody had their fist there. So my wife took me to emergency at Summa Hospital. Found out that I had a tear in my aorta, and the doctor said I had to have surgery immediately. Dr. Mayer and his team repaired the tear in my aorta, and they also repaired a valve. This surgery was so serious that I was in the ICU for 20 days. Dr. Mayer and his whole cardiology team basically saved my life, and so by the grace of God and the doctors, I'm here today. I want to give a shout out to the Cardiac Rehabilitation team. They watch you closely, they take good care of you. And like I say, it brings tears to my eyes. Thanks to Summa Health, I'm a real miracle man.